Do you buy store-bought house cleaners like this one? Then this video is for you. For many years, I was personally buying toxic store-bought house cleaners like Clorox or whatever competitor brand that is out there. But one of the things that I realized over many years was that I could actually make these house cleaners by myself at home using minimal ingredients that are affordable and work just as well as toxic cleaners like Clorox. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make your own non-toxic house cleaner so that you don't need to keep buying toxic waste byproduct that is being sold to you as a cleaner. The beautiful thing about this non-toxic cleaner is that it's super easy to make. There are only two main ingredients in the entire cleaner. Those two main ingredients are apple cider vinegar and water. The only extra things I add in there are essential oils to give fragrance so that it kind of masks that vinegary smell. Now, if you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use other kinds of vinegar as well. I personally prefer using apple cider vinegar because it's a product that I have readily available because I drink it as well for various health reasons, and you could watch other videos that I have about exactly that topic. So I personally have two different methods that I use with this cleaner. One of the methods is I will do 1/3 apple cider vinegar and 2/3 water, but if I need something to work stronger than that, like say I'm cleaning the shower, then I'm gonna be using half apple cider vinegar, half water. And for today's video, we are gonna be doing the 1-to-1, which is half water, half apple cider vinegar. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is right now. So the first thing you're gonna need is obviously a spray bottle. You can buy these spray bottles anywhere really, grocery stores, Amazon. I mean, you can even take one of your old cleaner bottles that you have, wash it out, and then reuse that. So you have your spray bottle, just gonna open it up, and then I have this funnel here that's just gonna make it a little easier. So we have our water here, our apple cider vinegar here. This is from Bragg's. They make very high quality products. So if you're gonna be buying apple cider vinegar, I would recommend checking out this company because they've been around for a really long time and they're killing the game. Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Then the essential oils that we're gonna be using today, eucalyptus essential oil and peppermint essential oil. You can really choose whatever essential oil blend you prefer. I switch up the fragrances very commonly. The last time I made this, I put some ginger and tangerine, eucalyptus and peppermint. This time, I'm only gonna be using the peppermint and the eucalyptus, which is freaking awesome in itself. So, if you buy one of these spray bottles, then it'll actually have these markings on the sides that show you how much is actually in there. So we're just gonna pour the apple cider vinegar to there, and then we have our water. I'm using alkaline water from my alkaline water filter that I have right here. I would recommend using cleaner water over tap water because tap water just has way too many residual toxins in it. If you can get reverse osmosis water or distilled water or an alkaline water or something like that, and alkaline waters are usually taken through a reverse osmosis process. So if you can use that, that would be the best option, but you don't have to. All right, so now that we have 50% of this full with apple cider vinegar, I am gonna pour this water in here until it's almost full so that I can have a little bit of room for the essential oils. So as you can see, that is almost full. It gets full to right there. So what we're gonna do now is add some of this eucalyptus essential oil and then some of this peppermint essential oil. And honestly, it really doesn't matter how much of these essential oils you use. I like to use a little more because it really helps give a nice fragrance, but you know, you could put like 10, 15 drops in there if you want. I just pour it in there straight up. All right, and then all you do, you just literally shake it up, and then it's good to go. This will keep you good for about a month. All you need really is apple cider vinegar. This is your only real cost. Forget the essential oils. If you don't have the money for that, you put those to the side, it's totally fine. You just handle some vinegar smell for a little bit. This apple cider vinegar is actually very affordable as well. In the description of this video, there's gonna be an Amazon link to where you can buy this yourself. For a very, very long time, for decades, upwards to a century, if not more, big corporations and their government friends have been lying to you to make you believe that you need this when you could actually just make this at home way easier, way more affordable, and it's not toxic. So when I'm breathing in these Clorox fumes right now, it's gross. Like, anybody who's used these toxic cleaners knows that if you're around them for too long or even a few minutes, you start feeling weird. You start feeling lightheaded. You start feeling like your body is toxifying. So take control of your life, be the master of your own life, and make things yourself at home.